we have taken 5 ml of methyl acetate and we have taken 100 ml of H2SO4 solution. Now add this 5 ml of methyl acetate in bottle 1. Then we are going to add 100 ml of H2SO4 in bottle number 2. We have to keep both the solution at room temperature. So here now the room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So both the bottles have been kept at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Here we have prepared set 1. Similarly, we are going to prepare set 2. So we have added 5 ml of methyl acetate in bottle number 3. And now we are going to add 100 ml 0.5 normal H2SO4 in bottle number 4. So this is set 2. Now we have to keep this set 2 in the temperature, in the increasing temperature. That is, suppose today the room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So we have to increase the temperature to plus 10 degrees Celsius. That is, it will be 35 degrees Celsius. So set 2 has to be kept in the thermostat at 35 degrees Celsius temperature. So here you can see that set 1 has to be kept at normal room temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, while the set 2 has to be kept at an increasing temperature, that will be 35 degrees Celsius. So we have to place the set 2 in the thermostat. Here we have placed the set 2 bottles in the thermostat of having a temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Now coming to the set 1, we are going to perform the titration. So here this is bottle number 1 and this one is the bottle number 2. Now you have to mix the bottle number 2 into bottle number 1. Now in the flask, first of all take 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator, plus you have to add ice, and then you take the solution, that is 5 ml of the mixed solution, and add it in the conical flask. Now titrate this solution which you have taken in the conical flask with NaOH. Now titrate this solution in the conical flask with NaOH. So you have to observe that there will be a color change from colorless to pink. As we are titrating, now we have to look that there should be a color change from colorless to pink. So at an interval of 10 minutes, you have to go on taking the solution in the conical flask and titrate it with 0.1 normal NaOH. Similarly, we are going to perform for the set 2 which has been kept in the thermostat. So you can see both the bottles. This is bottle number 3 which is having methyl acetate, and the other one is bottle number 4 containing H2SO4 solution. Now we have to mix bottle number 4 into bottle number 3. After mixing, shake the solution properly and then take 5 ml of this mixed solution in conical flask which is already containing phenolphthalein and ice, and titrate it with NaOH. For the set 2, we are going to do the titration. So in the conical flask, first take phenolphthalein plus ice, and then you have to add the solution from the bottle. You have to take 5 ml of solution and add it into the conical flask. Now titrate this solution with NaOH. For set 2, we have done the titration with NaOH, and here we got colorless to pink color. Okay, so we have to note down the reading in the observation table, that is for set 2.